This week in music, we are going to start our projects. We've already worked a lot with Old Brass Wagon and Tidy-O. We've learned about rhythms and pitches and form and emotions in music. We've done a lot of work in music already. And now what we're going to do is sort of take all of our learning that we've done and sort of put it together in projects. There are 3 different projects that you can choose from. One is creating an activity or game. The second one is creating music, or the third one is finding music. Each one of these has an example that you can look at. It's a slideshow that I've created for each one of them. And you can kind of look through the slideshow and see what kind of things you'll need to do if you choose that project. Make sure you go through all of the slides and all of the examples so that you understand fully what your choice is. If you end up picking a game or making activity, there's a lot that you'll have to do. You'll have to pick what are you going to make your game around, because it has to be something that's related to music. Then you need to come up with the instructions and make the plan and then present that in a way that people can follow it. If you're creating music, our goal is for you to create music that has an emotion behind it. So not just creating anything, but creating an emotion that other students can identify in your song. So first you'll need to identify what emotion you want to create, what kind of music sounds that way, and then start creating a little bit of a song. For that one, I will say it does not need to be a full huge song. Even if it's just a short phrase, that's okay. For the third project, finding music, it's similar to creating music in that you are going to work from emotions. So you'll pick emotions that you want to work with and then find songs that match them and then share those with students. Again, so we can explore music and the idea that music can be very emotional. These are the 3 projects. Your goal this week is to pick one. So take time and look through the examples that I have for you and then pick the one that you want to work on. You'll also get started working on that project this week. There are 7 steps to finish each of the projects, and this week your job is to finish the first 2 steps. The first 2 steps are pretty simple in that you're just thinking about what emotion you want to work with, or if you end up picking the game activity, what topic are you going to work with? And it helps you sort of start thinking about, what do I want to do? What is my goal? And gives you some ideas on how you might get there. So again, your job is to pick which project and then get started. Finish the first 2 steps this week, although you're always welcome to look at the other steps if you can.